Hi everyone, new day, new upgrade. We have here a Toyota Fortuner GRS. When is siya na-release?
When I got it?
Yeah.
It was yesterday.
Yesterday. For the mileage, as you can see, $30,000. Okay, the modes, we replaced the mat, of course, to Hypotec matting, to keep your car clean. For the Fortuner, it composed of 3 rows. First row, second row, third row, and the cargo tray. Next, we also replaced the plate to LED, and the reverse will show you. The plate LED, and then the reverse. Very bright. Also, for the front, we upgrade the horn. On this unit, we're using the PIAA Sports Horn. For the fog lamp, we upgraded also to higher, more bright. The client chooses the white. This is 400% brighter than the stock. Safety first. Okay. Lastly, we replaced the rims and tire. We're using a special size on this unit. This is the TE37 Ultra Large PCD. What's so special? The offset of this one is plus 23. Normally, on the VOC Racing, is only plus 20. This is plus 23. Fitted with a BF Goodrich KO3 tires. See the flash. Perfect. This is perfect also for Ford Everest, Ranger Raptor, Mitsubishi Montero. See the stance. Simplicity is the best. After, we're planning to install full exhaust system, upgrade his suspension, and many more. If you're interested, guys, with our build, feel free to message me. And please subscribe and follow my YouTube channel, PRS Car Accessories and Services. See you here, guys. Say bye-bye na mo. Bye! Bye!